Hello, everybody. It's Crystal. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody had a great holiday. Sorry that I have not been on YouTube for a while. Did you guys miss me? I've been busy with the holidays, actually. That's just the way it is around here, I guess. But I'm here now, and I got lots of good stuff planned for December. Lots of stuff. I hope something to please everybody. I got tutorials coming along, unboxings. I know lots of you like those. And I got gonna drag Mr. Baugh to some yarn stores because everybody well, a lot of people like those too. But today is very special. I just wanted to share with you guys. Please ignore that big old mess back there. I'm in the process of changing some things up in here. So it involves moving lots of yarn and boxing yarn. It's just, please don't mind that. It's a mess. Anyways, today's video is I went to the post office and there was this box from Maxim. And it was at my P.O. box. Well, when I ordered from Maxim, I have it sent to my house. So when this was at my P.O. box, I'm like, that's strange. I didn't have anything sent to my P.O. box from Maxim. But it's in the mystery size box. But listen, I don't think that's yarn. What do you guys think? So it says, from Maxim, shipped to Bagoday Crochet, Happy Mail, P.O. Box 24. I think they sent it to me as a gift. I do. Want to open it up and see what's inside? I do. So that's super, super nice of them to do that. Again, I always say that I don't, when yarn companies, do this, it's very sincere form of them just enjoying my channel. And I didn't ask for this. They didn't want anything from me for this. They probably didn't even think I would do a video on it. They just did it out of the kindness of their heart. And and like I said before, when somebody does something and they expect nothing in return, that's the best. To me, anyways. Let's open it up. I'm excited. I just keep talking about it, but let's see what's inside. Could be yarn, but man, it just sure doesn't sound like it, did it? Let's see what I can find other than these scissors. Okay, these are pretty dull, so I'll be careful. Isn't that nice of them to think of me like that? Gosh. Personals did that too, and it's so nice. So Maxim, first of all, Maxim, if you're watching, I have no idea if you watch my videos. If you do, I apologize that I say your name wrong every single time. And I want to say thank you very much for sending this to me. What a surprise it is to get something in the mail like this. It's super excited. You made my day. Okay. Got it open. Oh, wow. It's not yarn. Let's see what it is. Flyer. You know what this is? I think this is all kinds of stuff to make homemade ornaments for your tree. Look, there's all kinds of styrofoam balls, round ones, and ones shaped like birds, and old-fashioned looking ones that are wrapped in thread and bells. Oh, it is! Oh my gosh, my kids are gonna love this. How thoughtful! Here's ribbon. And pipe cleaners and whatnot to decorate with. It's like decor, Christmas decor. I can use this stuff on some tutorials that I got some couple things Christmassy that I'm going to do. Look at that. I've never seen pipe cleaners curly like that. So awesome! Look, what is this? This is heavy. What do you do with these? I'm in awe. They're little ornaments. I think you can decorate them and put a little hook on them maybe. Oh, bag of them. All different ones. You can probably string them up and stuff. Look at that. That's so cool. They're heavy. A whole bunch of them. All different designs and whatnot. Oh, there's like little icicle ones in there and stuff. You could string these up and use them for a garland on your tree. That is awesome. I'm going to have to look into this and see what you're supposed to do with all this stuff. Oh, like here's some toppers for the ornaments. Look, I think, I don't know. What are these? Is that what you hook your hook to? You can do some mix stuff out of it, I guess. Or maybe this is some type of a kit. I don't know. Maybe I should look it up on Mary Maxim. Here's a picture frame ornament. Oh, look at this. Like leaves and stuff, I get. I don't really know, but I know it's all Chris's decorations. There's a clam. That's cute. Or whatever it is. A sand dollar. I don't know what that is. Not a sand dollar, but a oyster or a clam. That is so neat. So I guess them styrofoam ornaments I got, there's like a big sack of beads here. I would imagine that you hook them on there somehow. Here's pins, a whole sack of beads to decorate these styrofoam balls with. Look at this. That's what that noise was. Cool. Big sack of jingle bells. I love Christmas. Christmas is my favorite holiday. I love Christmas decor. Oh, it's sequins to decorate with. You can probably glue them on those. I don't really know. Oh, here's little pins that you probably hook onto the styrofoam balls. Like, I guess you could decorate them with whatever you want. You know what? It's hard telling how my kids are going to decorate, especially with Evelyn. I'm going to let her decorate up some of these styrofoam balls with this stuff. With my help, of course. There's some little gift bags. Bunch of safety pins, so these have to be used for something. Probably for some of this stuff, maybe to hook it on your tree with. I don't know. Let me know if you guys know. I'll look it up too and see what all this stuff is for. I would imagine it's for Christmas ornament making or something, but I just have to figure out how to do it. Ribbon, pom-poms. And one more thing, what's this? Red. What is it? What is it? Nobody knows what it is. Got it. Oh, it's Red Heart sizzle yarn. It's the nylon cord you could probably use to string up some of the stuff with. There's 3 of them in there. That is so neat. It's neat that it wasn't yarn and it's all kinds of little knickknacks and things to make ornaments with. I can just imagine what Evelyn's going to do with all this stuff. I'm going to have a sit down with her, take some of these balls, help her put some sequins on them, some beads on them. It looks like it's going to be a big mess, though. What do you guys think? But that's okay. It's all for fun. I don't mind the mess. These probably fit on there. I don't really know what you do with these, but I guess you could pin it on one of these bells or something and then decorate all around it. I'm sure that the kids will think of something to do with them. Or they'll string them all up somehow. These are so cool. Surely you guys know what some of this stuff's for. I got this thing of pins to pin stuff on with, so I love it. I love it all. It's very unexpected. That's so stinking cute. Very unexpected to get something that's not yarn, but it's so stinking cool because I still like to do crafts like this, and it's going to be super fun for my kids. They're really, really going to love it. All 5 of them. They're going to make homemade ornaments That's awesome. Thank you very much, Mary Maxim. You thought out of the box, actually, and it's really cool. It's kind of neat to get something that's from a yarn company that's not yarn. I really think my kids are going to have a lot of fun with this, and it was extremely thoughtful for you to send it to me. I really like it. It's so pretty. You know, I love Christmas a lot. I love Christmas. I love all, I don't know. I love the giving on Christmas. But I also love Christmas decor. We always go and look at Christmas lights on Christmas Eve. And I don't know. It's just the silver and gold sparkle stuff. And I don't know. It's so much fun. I can use a lot of these. I can use to make crochet stuff with too. Before I go, I'm gonna tell you an idea I had, and you let me know, since I got some small jingle bells in here, if it's a good idea. Now, I was thinking about making Steve, my cat, he's like a really big cat, he weighs like 20 pounds, so he's like small dog size, a green sweater, but make it like kind of like an elf. I was gonna put like a zigzag white collar around it, and then attach some jingle bells to the points, like this. You know what I'm talking about, kind of how elves are. And then jingle bell around the points. What do you guys think? You guys think Steve would look handsome in that? Despite everybody that, I know there's some that think animals shouldn't wear sweaters. Despite that, Steve doesn't care about wearing sweaters. But anyways, you guys think that would be a good idea? I just was thinking about that the other day, and I thought that he would look pretty cute in it, because he doesn't mind wearing sweaters, you know. He could wear it for Christmas. And then when I saw these jingle bells, I thought, well, now that I got these little bitty small silver jingle bells in here, that would be a good time to do it. Sew them on the little points of the elf collar. Let me know what you think about that. So again, thank you very much, Mary Maxim. That was very, very kind of you to send to I consider this a gift to my whole family, because we're all going to have a lot of enjoyment making ornaments for our tree. So I just wanted to share it all with you guys. Thanks everybody for watching, and you be on the lookout for some new vids coming from me. Hey, I hit up a lot of Black Friday sales, so I got some unboxings coming. And don't worry, I got tutorials too. So thanks everybody. Bye bye.